I'm here in Nowshera. Nowshera and Shadara are probably the two main cities which have been badly affected by the floods. I'm told that almost 90% of Nowshera was underwater, and I believe it because within last 2 hours in this site, which is actually a government's College of Technology, but the college is closed now, and this site is used is to accommodate the internally displaced people. They are telling me that they had to walk because there was no public transport from the other end of the city, and the road structures destroyed. Some were injured. The local hospitals can't cope, and electricity is down. No communication system exists now. When the water came, they rushed on top of their houses, and they were hoping for air rescue. Hopefully they'll be airlifted, but that didn't happen. We living in the West, we have to respond urgently because today is sunshine. Today is a warm day out of the last 6 days, but then tomorrow and day after, we've been told by the weatherman that the rain's going to return, and it's going to be quite a severe rain showers. It's race against time, and my appeal to yourselves is please dig deep. A food package, this is what we take it for granted, and this is what our basic needs are: food, water, medical supplies, shelter. A food package, I'm sure we can donate at least one per family, or you can donate for a tent. Some of the families on my right here, they do have tents, but the rest, I'm not sure where they're going to sleep tonight. This young boy, Sultan, he's lost his family. He says when the flash floods came, they all started running, and he has he's lost his family. And while we have been talking to him, we have been surrounded by a lot of people, and this is how desperate people are to register so they can qualify for a food package at the end of the day. Food. That's what they need. Food. And this is what our appeal is to yourselves. Please don't wait. They urgently need food and water. Dial 0800 520 0000 or go on to Islamic Relief's website and donate online. Even if it's £5, £10, £20, provide shelter for these people they desperately need. This is a test on us. Please don't just watch the images. Act before it's too late. People like living in America, in UK, in Germany, in Canada, and other parts of the Western world, save lives. For the sake of humanity, respond now. I've just been told that in the last 2.5 hours, just on this site, 1,000 people have registered here. And with that registration, they get food and water. But what about hundreds and hundreds who are still coming? Please act now. Don't wait. Thank you. Thank you.